Hey there, this is Keith All, and in today's tutorial we're going to learn how we can create this dotted halftone effect in Photoshop where one side does not have that dotted halftone effect, but the other side does. So the way that we can do this is, first of all, I already created a new canvas with a background color white. Again, it's a personal choice. And then I loaded or added an image on top of that layer. So now what we want to do is we want to create a new layer and we want to create a gradient. I have a foreground color, background color of black to white, and I'm going to select the gradient tool. I'm going to make sure the foreground color, the background color is selected for my presets. Click OK. I want to choose linear gradient up here in the options bar. And now what I want to do is I want to draw my gradient. I'm going to start over here towards the middle of the subject. I'm going to hold down the shift key and click and drag at the same time so it draws a straight line. Now I have that black to white gradient. Now I want to go up to filter, pixelate, and then color halftone. And now all these channels I'm going to set to 0. So it's going to create these dots. If I had these channels all set to numbers greater than 0, then it's just going to create a multicolor effect on the dots. The radius I have up here is, I just selected 15. It's a personal choice. The higher the number, the less dots that you will have. The lower the number, the more dots that you will create once you click OK. Okay, now I'm going to come over here to my layer, and I'm going to select the blend mode of screen. And there you have it. There's that halftone effect. Now what I want to do is I want to remove these dots on this side that's covering the subject. So in order to do that, I'm going to select the rectangular marked key tool, and I'm going to select the dots that I want to have removed. So I'm just going to draw a selection. Just a second. Let's do this. Okay, once the selection is made, I'm going to right click on the selection. I'm going to select fill. And now I'm going to select foreground color because my foreground color is black. So I'm going to click OK. And now I'm going to deselect this. You can go up to the menu, select, deselect, or shortcut key is Control D on a PC. And there you have it. And that's how you could create this type of dotted halftone effect in Photoshop, where one side has the halftone and the other side does not have it. Thanks again for stopping by today. I appreciate your support. Please subscribe to my channel and click on that bell notification so you always get updated when I have a new video ready. Thanks again, and please like, share, and comment. I appreciate it. Thanks again. I'll see you on the next video.